Want to add events to your Squarespace website but not sure how the events page works? In this video, I am going to show you how to create and customize an events page, add event details, upload images and publish them properly step by step. This works perfectly for classes, workshops, concerts, church services, meetups, or any online and offline events. And just so you know, this tutorial is part of my Squarespace beginner playlist, and I've added the full playlist link in the description. So make sure you watch the complete series to learn every important feature of Squarespace much faster. Alright, let's get started. First, from your Squarespace dashboard, click on Pages in the left-hand menu. This is where we manage all the pages on your website. Now click the plus button to add a new page. Under the Collections section, select Events. Squarespace will show you two layout options, List View or Calendar View. For this tutorial, I am going to choose List View. Now give your page a title. I'll call mine Events. Click on your new events page to open it. Right now it's empty, so let's add our first event. On the left side, click the plus icon to create a new event. This opens the event editor. At the top, type in your event title, for example, Sunset Live Music Night. Then choose the date and time for your event. You can also mark it as an all-day event if you don't want a specific duration. Once you've set the time, click Save. You'll now see the event editing screen. Click any insert point to add text. Here, you can describe what the event is about, who should attend, what to expect, and any instructions your visitors need to know. You can also add images, videos, buttons, or links by using content blocks. I'll paste my event description here, and then I'll add a photo by clicking Add Image and uploading it from my computer. If you want, you can also add a link to a ticket page or registration form. On the left side of the editor, click the Content tab if you are not already there. Here you can edit your event date and time and add an event URL if you have one. At the top of the event settings, click Add Image to upload a featured image. This image will show directly on your events page and makes everything look more professional. You can add a link to the image if you need to, but that's optional. Next, click the Status tab. Here, you can either publish your event right now or schedule it to go live later. When you're ready, click Publish at the top. If you're planning ahead, click the small arrow next to Publish and choose Schedule. You can also add tags and categories to organize your events, which is helpful if you plan to create a lot of them. Next, click the SEO tab. If you want your event to appear on Google search results, add a short SEO title and description. You can also enable social sharing, which allows visitors to share your event on platforms like Facebook or Twitter under location. You can enter a physical address for in-person events, which helps people find your venue. Once everything looks good, click Save. Now close the editor and you'll see your event appear on the events page. Every new event you create will show here automatically, and Squarespace will sort them by date so your upcoming events appear first. If you want to add more events, just click the plus button again and repeat the same steps. And that's it. You now know how to create, customize, and publish events inside Squarespace. This video is part of my Squarespace beginner playlist, and I've added the full playlist link in the description. So make sure to check out the next tutorials to continue learning step by step. If you want personal help setting up your Squarespace website, you can book a free call using the link in the description. Just pick a time and tell me what you want help with. Or, if WhatsApp is easier, click the link and message me directly. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.